Hello student, welcome back. Today we have to learn CBSE class 10th Maths exercise 1.2. Now move on to the first question. Express each number as a product of its prime factors. It is nothing but in which we have to learn from the lower class that same model only. Sub question 1 140. Now we have to express this 140 its product of primes. Already we know that prime number start 2 onwards, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, that like. Always we have to check least prime number onwards. Now this 140 is the even number, so it goes in 2. So we have to divide 2 mean 7 2s are 14, here 0, put 0. Now again it is the even number with 2, 3 2s are 6, balance 1, 5 2s are 10. Now it is not an even number, so next we have to check next prime number 3. Sum of the digit got multiple of 3 mean it is divisible by 3. But sum of the digit here got 8. So move on to the next number 5. Here unit place either 0 or 5 mean divisible by 5 is possible. So here 5 is there. So now we have to divide 5 mean we should get 7. Now 7 is the prime number, so stop the process here. Now this 140 can be written as 2 into 2, 5 into 7. Here 2 time was there, so 2 square into 5 into 7. Next move on to the second question. 156. This 156 is even number, so it is goes in 2. So 7 2s are 14, remaining 1, 8 2s are 16. Again it is the even number, so with 2, 3 2s are 6, put here 1 mean 9 2s are 18. It is not an even number, so we have to check next least prime number 3. Sum of the digit got multiple of 3, so divide 3. Here 1 3s are 3, 3 3s are 9. 13 is the prime number. So stop the process here. Now this 156 can be written as 2 square into 3 into 13. Move on to the next question. 3825. It is not an even number. So next least prime number 3. So 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, remaining 2, 7 3s are 21, put 1 here, 5 3s are 15. Again sum of the digit got multiple of 3, so we have to divide 3. 4 3s are 12, 2 3s are 6, remaining 1, 5 3s are 15. Now sum of the digit not get multiple of 3, so next least prime number 5, it goes to 5. 8 5s are 40, remaining 2, 5 5s are 25, again with 5, 1 5s are 5, remaining 3, 7 5s are 35. 17 is the prime number. Now stop the process here. Now 3825 can be written as 3 square into 5 square into 17. Move on to the next question. 5005. It is not an even number. Sum of the digit not get multiple of 3. So move on to the next prime number 5. 1 5s are 5, 0, 0. Here 1 5s are 5. Likewise we have to check. Next it is goes by 7. 1 7s are 7, remaining 3. 4 7s are 28, remaining 2. 3 7s are 21. Next this is 143. We have to check next number 11. So 1 11s are 11, remaining 3, 3 11s are 13. 13 is the prime number. Now stop the process here. Now 5005 can be written as 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Move on to the next question. Question number 5, 7429. This is not an even number, so cannot divide 2. Sum of the digit not get multiple of 3. So now cannot divide 3 also. Likewise we have to check. Next this is goes in 17. 4 17s are 68. remaining here 6, 3 17s are 51, remaining 11, 7 17s are 119. Next it is goes in 19, 2 19s are 38, remaining 5, 3 19s are 57. So now this is the prime number. So stop the process here. 7429 equal to 17 into 19 into 23. Now move on to the next question. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF equal to product of the two numbers. Sub question 1, 26 and 91. Question number 1, 26 and 91. So do the mind calculation here. 2 13s are 26 and 91 can be expressed as 7 13s are 91. Now try to find HCF. HCF mean we have to write the common factors only. 13 here itself also there. So 13 is our HCF. Next do the LCM. LCM mean we have to write the common factor only once and write the remaining factor also. So 2 into 7 into 13. 2 7s are 14, 14 into 13. Do the rough work here. 3 4s are 12, carry over 1, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 4. So 1 into 14, 14. Do the addition here. So we should get 182. So our LCM is 182. Now do the verification here. HCF into LCM equal to product of the two numbers. Our HCF 13 into LCM 182 equal to product of the two given numbers 26 into 91. Do the multiplication here. 182 into 13. 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24, put 4, carry over 2, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2, 5. And 1 into 182 is 182. Do the addition here. So we should get 2366. Next do the multiplication here. 91 into 26, 6 1s are 6, 6 9s are 54, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. So do the addition here. We should get same 2366. So both sides we should get same answer. Therefore hence verified. Next sub question 510 and 92. Question number 2, 510 and 92. Do the rough work here. It is the even number, so it goes in 2. 2 2s are 4, remaining 1. 5 2s are 10, again remaining 1. 5 2s are 10. Now it is not a even number, but sum of the digit get multiple of 3, so it is goes in 3. 8 3s are 24, remaining 1. 5 3s are 15. Now sum of the digit not get multiple of 3. Here unit plus 5, so it is goes in 5. 1 5s are 5, remaining 3. 7 5s are 35. Now 17 is the prime number, so stop the process here. Now 510 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. Next number 92. It is the even number, so it is goes into 4 2s are 8, remaining 1, so 6 2s are 12. Again it is the even number, so with 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Now this is the prime number, so stop the process here. Now 92 can be written as 2 square into 23. Therefore HCF equal to our common factor 2 and LCM equal to our common factor. We have to write 2 square. Write the remaining factors also. So 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. Always we have to remember that HCF mean highest common factor. So highest mean we have to write the least exponent. And LCM mean least common multiple. So least mean we have to write the highest power. Do the multiplication here. 2 square mean 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. Now 60 into 17. 7 zeros are 0. 7 6 are 42. 160s are 60. Do the addition here. 1020. Again multiply by 23. 3 zeros are 0. 3 2s are 6. 3 zeros are 0. 3 1s are 3. Next 2 zeros are 0. 2 2s are 4. 2 zeros are 0. 2 1s are 2. Do the addition here. We should get 23,460. Now do the verification. HCF into LCM equal to product of the two numbers. Now our HCF is 2, our LCM is 23,460. The given two numbers are 510 into 92. Do the multiplication here. 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12, carry over 1, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Do the rough work here. 510 into 92. 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 9 zeros are 0, 9 1s are 9, 9 5s are 45. Do the addition here. We should get 46,920. Now both sides got same answer. Therefore, hence verified. Move on to the next sub question. Question number 3. 336 and 54. 336 and 54. Do the rough work here. 336, it is the even number, so it is goes into 1 2s are 2, remaining 1, 6 2s are 12, remaining 1, 8 2s are 16. Again it is the even numbers, so with 2, 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8. Again it is the even number, so with 2, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again it is the even number, so with 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2. Now this is not a even number, but some of the digit got multiple of 3, so it is goes in 3. 7 3s are 21. Now 7 is the prime number, so stop the process here. Now 336 can be written as, here 4 times 2 was there, so 2 power 4 into 3 into 7. Next number 54, it is the even number, so it is goes in 2. 2 2s are 4, remaining 1, 7 2s are 14. And next, this is not a even number, but some of the digit got multiple of 3, so it is goes in 3. 9 3s are 27. Now again it goes in 3, so 3 3s are 9. Now 3 is the prime number, so stop the process here. 54 can be written as, here 2, 3 times 3 was there, so 3 cube. Therefore HCF equal to our least exponent 2 into 3. So 2 3s are 6. Therefore LCM equal to, we have to write the highest power into, we have to write the remaining factors also. Now 2 power 4 mean 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and 3 cube mean 27. Do the multiplication here. 7 6 are 42, carry over 4, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 4 11. 2 6 are 12, put 2, carry over 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3. Now do the addition here. 2, here 3, here 4. Now 432 into 7. 7 2s are 14, carry over 1, 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 1, 22, carry over 2, 7 4 are 28, 28 plus 2, 30. Now our LCM is 3024. Next, do the verification here. HCF into LCM equal to product of the two numbers. Our HCF is 6 into our LCM is 3024 equal to the given numbers 336 into 54. Do the rough work here. 336 into 54. 4 6 are 24, carry over 2, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2 14, carry over 1, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 5 6 are 30, carry over 3, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 3 18, carry over 1, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 16. Do the addition here. 18,144. Here do the multiplication. 6 4s are 24, carry over 2, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2 14, carry over 1, 6 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1 1, 6 3s are 18. Now both sides got same answer, therefore hence verified.